Guys, subscribe to my channel hashtags with VChill and click on the bell icon to get notified regarding the latest videos.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video we'll be doing origami paper claw model. So without further delay, let's check it out. So guys, for this paper claw model we'll need a A4 sheet of paper, a rectangular sheet. So first we'll fold it like this to form a triangle here in this section. Now this triangular portion you fold it again like this. Yep. Like this. This is how it looks. Now we fold this section to form a smaller triangle. Similarly on this side. I'll be showing one claw in this video, and you can make multiple claws like this. Now fold this portion above, upwards. This is how it looks. And now you fold this section like this. Finally you get a triangle. Now this you fold it in this manner till the center, and then you just fold it like this till this forms a arrow shape. So this is the center. Yeah, so that should form an arrow shape here. Just align it accordingly. Yeah, like this, and then again fold it entirely, this one like this. So now, as you can see, you have this flap. Just put it like this, flip it over. Let me show it to you again actually from here. So one fold, two fold, three folds, open one more like this, put it like this, and then fold it, this flap in this manner, and then this flap will go here. Inwards and pack it. Press it tightly, and that's it. This is your claw. Now you need to check the center from here, make a bulge like shape, and your finger goes in here like this. So as you can see, this is the claw. Make such 10 claws and enjoy origami. That's it for this video guys. Thanks for watching. Catch you guys next week. Peace. Guys, that's it for this video. I hope you loved it. This is a very easy origami claw model. So go ahead, make and enjoy. But don't forget to click on the bell icon and get notified first. Share and subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back next week. New content, new videos. Stay tuned. Take care guys.